Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Nutella fudge. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick treat and requires just a few common ingredients. First, gather everything you need, including 1 1/2 cups of Nutella, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, and 3 cups of powdered sugar. Also, line a 9 by 9 inch baking pan with parchment paper, leaving an overhang for easy removal. Next, in a medium saucepan, melt 1/2 cup of unsalted butter with 1/4 cup of milk over medium heat, stirring constantly until smooth. Once melted, remove the pan from the heat and stir in 1 1/2 cups of Nutella until it is completely combined and warm. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing it thoroughly to infuse that lovely aroma. Now it's time to add the sweetness. Gradually beat in 3 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, until the mixture becomes very thick and smooth. This step requires a bit of arm work, but it's crucial for the fudge's texture. Once combined, quickly pour the warm, rich fudge into your prepared 9 by 9 inch baking pan. Use a spatula to smooth the top evenly. The final step is the easiest: chilling. Place the pan in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until the fudge is completely firm. Once set, use the parchment paper overhang to lift the entire block of fudge from the pan. Then, cut it into small 1-inch squares. Serve your delightful Nutella fudge at room temperature and enjoy this irresistible treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.